Doctor, I'm coughing blood and feeling dizzy all the time. It started with fatigue and shortness of breath. Then blood appeared in my urine and sputum.
What condition could this be? Comment below. This condition is Goodpasture's syndrome. Goodpasture's syndrome is an autoimmune disease affecting lungs and kidneys. It may cause pulmonary hemorrhage and kidney failure. Anti-glomerular basement, membrane antibodies, chest imaging, and kidney biopsy confirm the diagnosis. Treatment includes steroids, plasmapheresis, and immunosuppressants.